I don't really know what the title of this video is gonna be yet, but I know that lately just life has been so weird. Not even like a bad or good weird. Before anything, comment down below how life's been going for you guys, or feel free to DM me. Sometimes even just writing it down, expressing those emotions, talking about how your life's been going helps. Maybe we can all have a little circle about our life updates. I'm back at home. I'm on spring break for right now. I go back to school in like a couple days, or just go back up. So I'll probably take this video into the next few days. Part of me does not want to go back to reality. Hello, my love. You want to say hi to the camera? I've been in this weird state of mind. It's kind of just like this unsure feeling of what I'm doing and what I'm feeling. And I don't know if any of you guys also feel that way. There's a lot of things that I feel like I've been bottling up a bit. In this video, my plan is to just channel those emotions through something positive. For me right now, my stage in life is figuring out life. I'm back at my apartment now, and I honestly had a really good spring break. I spent it literally with my family the entire time, and it was good to just be with them because I hadn't seen them in a really long time actually. It was definitely a moment to relax and regain some sleep that I lost. I bought some things from Amazon literally last night. I picked up this Elta MD sunscreen because I saw a girl's TikTok about it. She said that Hailey Bieber uses it, and it's just a sheer and lightweight hyaluronic acid transparent zinc oxide UVA UVB protection. So it has SPF 40, and I think this one's tinted. So I'm actually gonna test it out right now. This is what my skin looks like right now, and I'm gonna try this out. Whoa, that's what it looks like. It's supposed to give like a nice glow to the skin. I feel like it's gonna remind me of the Super Glow Super Goop sunscreen. I think this one is oil free also, which I would prefer. Yeah, it's not like doing much in terms of covering anything on my face. Feels nice on the skin also, like it doesn't feel too greasy or anything, but not covering up much at all. I just got back from doing some grocery shopping, and then also I got my hair done. I haven't gone grocery shopping probably in like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, maybe even a month. I got these Cotton Cloud Dream. You put these like in the little like twisty things, and then you plug it into an outlet, and then it makes your room smell really good. And so far, the ones that I've all used, they smell really good. Big box of Rice Krispies. Almond Cocoa Loco, almond butter clusters. I also got almond butter as well. Weird combo, but we got sourdough, the almond butter, and then this bronzer that I used to use. I used this a long time ago, and I just needed like a little shimmery bronzer to put on top. I also got some bananas, strawberries, mangoes, which I haven't had in a while, and some avocados, which are really expensive now, which is great. And then my favorite snack mix. Today I'm going to clean my room, and I know I clean my room all the time, but I feel like I haven't done like a thorough, nice, deep clean in a while. I actually am going to like take off the sheets on my bed and everything. I'm going to give you guys a little haul. So meanwhile, as I'm cleaning up, you're going to see stuff that I picked up clothing wise in the past couple of days. Get a clean up and a haul at the same time. You guys, this is what we're working with here. Oh my gosh. Like the fact that there's just like a beach towel there, I don't know. The Chex Mix is really making it. Also, if you guys haven't caught on to any of my videos where I literally am playing other people's videos, that's because I have to hear something in the background whenever I'm doing a task, especially cleaning. I cannot clean in silence. So right now I'm currently watching my family's new video, so if you hear her voice, that's exactly what it is. I don't know if you guys watched my last haul, but I got these shorts that I actually have been wearing so much because the weather here right now is currently in the freaking 90s. It was actually like in the 60s like a week ago, and yeah, I thrifted these and they're so cute. They just fit loose and I like it that way. And I also got some overalls recently, which are from ThredUp, and I've been wearing them. I wore them like twice already because these are just like the cutest things ever. I kind of like to wear them with one of them not attached. I also got a couple things from the PacSun brandy section. So I got these sweats. These specific ones, like this color, the cream color, literally so soft compared to the other colors. These are really soft on both the inside and the outside. I also got this tank. I love these tank tops just because they're so easy to throw on and then make a cute outfit with them. I also got this sweater, which, you know, given the weather now, it's not really that appropriate, but a week ago it was just absolutely adorable. Yes, I don't take off the tags off my clothes for some weird reason. Just had big reveal a couple of days ago. She got me this tank top. It's so cute. It says my sorority name on it. And then she also got me a white sweater that says Gamify on it and bedazzled as well, which I thought was so cute. This shirt, which I thought was literally the cutest thing because it just gives such Y2K vibes. And then I got these shorts also because I really wanted some just like cute sleeping shorts, like lounge shorts. I have more to haul for you guys. So I picked up a couple things from Zara, and I'll do a little try on for these since these are such cute pieces. I got this little, goes like this over, and then this goes over your head, so you'll see what it looks like in the try on portion. But I thought the colors are really pretty, and honestly, when I first saw it, I was a little bit skeptical, but then when I tried it on, I was like, okay, wait, this is really cute. I like it. And then I picked up this purple dress, which I don't really know when I'm gonna wear it, but it's really pretty. The color kind of just sold me. I also picked up, which I think I was wearing at the beginning of this video, like see-through all except on the boob area, which I thought was really cute. And then I also got these green jeans. They remind me of like the lioness ones that were going really viral. They just look like this in the back also. Super cute color, like kind of wrinkly though, so I need to, I don't know. Do I iron my clothes ever? No, I don't ever. I mean, clearly, as you can tell, this skirt is wrinkly.
Diamonds on fleek, bitch ain't talking about you. Put it on, screw, put it, screw, screw to a penthouse, screw to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the cheek.
Guys, I also picked up these 874 Dickie pants. And these I got in a size 29-30 actually, 29-30. I originally picked them up in a 28, got them in brown, but they didn't fit the way I like them to. These fit really nicely. Like I said, the 29 is the perfect size if you're a 24, 25 waist, but I think the trend really got to me. So I want to say thank you to Function of Beauty for sponsoring today's video. If you guys don't know what Function of Beauty is, it's basically customized hair care for your specific needs, for your specific hair needs. So I have my 2 bottles right here actually, which, look at the colors. They literally are aesthetically pleasing, which is something that I can't get over. They even have my name customized on it. This one says Function of Michaela, which I think is literally so cute. So the specific needs that I wanted to target for my hair was the dryness. I obviously have had my hair bleached and dyed many times, so you know the ends can tend to be more on the drier side sometimes. And also my scalp, it gets really dried. I don't know, it's been a problem of mine for quite some time now. That's definitely something that I wanted to target when I was doing the quiz. If you guys don't know, you take a quiz before you basically get your bottles. That way that they can make those bottles customized to your hair care needs. This is the shampoo bottle, and then this is the conditioner. I've been using those bottles for about a couple of weeks now, and I feel like also for me, a little does go a long way. I honestly can say that I do love the way that my hair feels. It actually has significantly done a lot for my hair. I love the way it looks, styled especially. That's really important for me. And you guys can pretty much see it for yourself. Function of Beauty is actually dermatologist tested, so it's not going to irritate your scalp if that's a problem for you. There's also no parabens, there's no sulfates, and it's 100% vegan and cruelty free. You can actually now get 20% off your first 16-ounce custom set when you do click the link in my description box. I would recommend becoming a member to get all of these exclusive perks like free shipping, so don't forget to visit that. Again, thank you to Function of Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back into the video. Good morning. I just woke up from a nap. It is currently 9:38 at night. I'm going to grind out some homework. All the homework that I can do possible. I don't give a fuck at this point. It's yet another time at Earth Bowl. Yeah. Oh, this is your first time? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Good. Look how beautiful. It's so pretty. How pretty. I'm gonna go to the gym right now. I'm just gonna run the treadmill, bare minimum, but it does the job. Guys, look at my little giraffe. He's such a cutie. Also, my pillows look really wrinkly, but I do want to say that adding the white duvet cover literally, I feel like, opened up the room so much in terms of just like letting in a lot of light. Also, my Glossier package came in the mail, and I picked up their perfume that is very popular to smell so good. One of my friends wears it, and I kid you not, I know this is a little weird, but I smell her and it just smells so good. So I picked this up, and not even almost to wear it, but literally just to smell it. Guys, quick unboxing moment. I actually had the priming moisturizer, and it's pretty good. Oh my god, so good. That is the smell. Okay guys, so I am currently behind the camera. Hi guys. I'm about to make my avocado toast. I'm in a bit of a rush. It's 10:41 and I have class at 11:30. I'm going to be making my quick breakfast meal. These are the seasonings that I use like real quick just to make a really good avocado toast. This is crushed red pepper, bagel seasoning. Oh, that's way too much. Lots of pepper. Not lots, but just like for the flavor. My favorite, which is the chili powder. Go, 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 go. You just go. I saw some TikToks about it saying that it's really good for like your body. It does immune booster, joint pain relief, soothing respiratory support, healthy skin support, thyroid health support. It's a lot of benefits. So. Also, did anyone else absolutely hate taking pills when they were younger? I had to cut them in half. I couldn't do it. Collagen. These past few weeks coming back to school have actually been exciting and really productive. I spent a lot of time doing work and getting back on top of my studies, especially since this is the last push throughout the semester, and I really want to end it off on a good note. Me and my best friend Giselle actually went to Disneyland. Guys, we ended up in Disneyland somehow, which is definitely a highlight for this month. Going to Disneyland is always such a wholesome time and a moment to be a kid again, which I feel like is something everyone should get to experience, especially in college. At the beginning of this video, I talked about being quite unsure with what I was doing with my life and the feelings that I was feeling. And the truth is that I have undergone such a big change in my life. I realized that I was starting a new chapter with new people, with new priorities. So I felt so weird about what I was going through when in reality, I'm just experiencing a big change. It took me a while to just settle into it, which is something that I was doing over these past few weeks. Talking about it and writing it down actually really helped. And if you're experiencing any changes like this, know that it takes time. Getting to embrace that change will come. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next one.